In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly poll. If you're someone who frequently schedules meetings or collaborates with a team, you know how challenging it can be to find a time that works for everyone. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies this process, and with the meeting poll feature, you can easily propose multiple time options for your invitees to vote on. This ensures that you're not just saving time, but also making the scheduling process more inclusive and efficient. Now, if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the Calendly official website. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. This will bring up a few options for logging in. To keep things quick and seamless, choose Continue with Google. This method is especially useful if you already use Google for work-related tools like email or calendar, as it integrates everything into one streamlined platform. Next, you'll need to select the Google account you want to connect with Calendly. Now, here's a quick note. Make sure you pick the account that aligns with your current scheduling needs. For instance, if you have separate personal and work accounts, choose the one that makes the most sense for the meetings you're about to schedule. After that, click Continue to allow Calendly to access your Google Calendar. This step is really important, as it enables Calendly to sync with your existing schedule and avoid any double bookings or conflicts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your scheduling tasks. From here, click the Create button, which you'll find prominently displayed. A list of options will appear, and you'll want to select Meeting Poll. This particular feature is great because it allows you to propose multiple meeting times, giving your invitees the ability to vote on what works best for them. It's a fantastic way to ensure that everyone has a say in the scheduling process. Now, you'll see a blank calendar or grid where you can start selecting potential time slots. Simply click on a blank cell or a time that you believe could work for your meeting. Don't worry if the initial time isn't perfect. The beauty of the poll is that it helps you gather input from your invitees, so you can finalize a time that suits everyone. Once you've chosen your initial time slots, click the Next button to move forward. This will bring you to the customization stage. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your poll. Be sure to use something clear and relevant like Team Strategy Meeting or Client Check-in. A descriptive name makes it easier for your invitees to understand the purpose of the meeting right away. You'll also have the option to add a description or any additional instructions. This is a great place to include details like the meeting agenda, any pre-reading materials, or even just a brief note about what to expect. Adding this context can help your invitees come prepared, which ultimately leads to more productive discussions. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, click Share Meeting Poll to generate a direct link. Calendly will create a unique URL for your poll, and you can grab it by clicking Copy Link. This link is what you'll use to share the poll with your invitees. From here, distribute the link however you prefer. You can send it via email, share it through a messaging platform like Slack or Teams, or even embed it in a document if needed. The goal here is to make sure it reaches all potential attendees in the most efficient way possible. Now, all you need to do is wait for your invitees to vote on their preferred times. Calendly will keep track of the responses for you, and once everyone has weighed in, you'll be able to see which time works best for the group. This feature takes the guesswork out of scheduling and ensures that your final meeting time is one that accommodates everyone's availability. And that's it. You've successfully created a Calendly poll to streamline your meeting scheduling process. By using this feature, you're not only saving yourself time, but also empowering your invitees to have a say in the scheduling process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.